Good day to all of you. Hi, I'm Arian Maydi Del Rosario from Biselmet. So for the finals, I will choose the module 10 to discuss it. So, how to construct a frequency distribution table? The following data give the total number of iPads sold by a mail order company on each of 30 days. Construct a frequency distribution table. The total number of iPads sold by a mail order are 8, 25, 11, 15, 29, 22, 10, 5, 17, 21, 22, 13, 26, 16, 18, 12, 9, 26, 20, 16, 23, 14, 19, 23, 20, 16, 32, 16, 21, and 14. Step 1. Arrange the data in ascending order. The data now is presented in ascending order. So, step 2. Identify the class size. Number of data, this is denoted by n. So, as we have 30 days, our class size is also 30. So, n is equivalent to 30. Step 3. Identify the number of class using square root of n, where n is the class size. The square root of n is equals to square root of 30. So, square root of 30 is equals to 5.48. So, 5.48 is between the integers 5 and 6. Note, choose the larger integer for the member of class. The number of class is equals to 6. Step 4, we have compute for the range. So, range is equals to highest score minus lowest score. Sa highest score, we have 32 and lowest score is 5. So, the range is equals to 32 minus 5 is equals to 27. So, the range is 27. Step 5. Identify the class by using the formula. Class width is equals to range divided by number of class. So, 27 divided by 6 is equals to 4.5. So, 4.5 is between the integers 4 and 5. Note, choose the larger integer for the class width. So the class width is equals to 5. Step 6. Construct the frequency distribution table. Note, since there are 6 number of class, the table should have 6 rows. So the class are divided by 6 rows. We have row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, and row 6. In row 1, lower limit is 5, which is the lowest score. In finding the preceding lower limit, we should add the constant 5, which is the class width, into the last lower limit. Row 2, we have 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Row 3, 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. And row 4, 15 plus 5 is equals to 20. Row 5, 20 plus 5 is equals to 25. Last, row 6, 25 plus 5 is equals to 30. So, our lower limit are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Next task is to find the upper limit for each row. Just reduce 1 from the preceding lower limit. We have row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, and row 6. So, in row 1, the preceding lower limit is 10. So, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So, the 9 is our upper limit in row 1. In row 2 is the preceding lower limit is 15. So, 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. 14 is our upper limit in row 2. Row 3, the preceding lower limit is 20. So 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. So the 19 is our upper limit in row 3. In row 4, the preceding lower limit is 25. So 25 minus 1 is equal to 24. So the 24 is our upper limit in row 4. Row 5, the preceding lower limit is 30. So 30 minus 1 is equal to 29. So the 29 is our upper limit in row 5. To find the last value for the upper limit, add the class with, so 29 plus 5 is equals to 34. So 34 is our upper limit in row 6. So our upper limit are 9, 14, 19, 24, 29, and 34. We're getting close. So next is to tally and find the frequency per class. In row 1, our class is 5 to 9. Under 5 to 9, our sample is 3, which is 5, 8, and 9. In row 2, our class is 10 to 14. Under 10 to 14, our sample is 6, which are 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. In row 3, our class is 15 to 19. Under 15 to 19, our sample is 8, which are 15, 16, 16, 16, 16, 17, 18, and 19. In row 4, our class is 20 to 24. Under 20 to 24, our sample is 8, which are 20, 20, 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, and 23. In row 5, our class is 25 to 29. Under 25 to 29, our sample is 4, which are 25, 26, 26, and 29. Last is row 6. Our class is 30 to 34. Under 30 to 34, our sample is 1, which is 32. Next is to find the frequency under the class 5 to 9. Our frequency is 3, and the row 2 is 6, row 3 is 8, row 4 is 8, row 5 is 3, row 6 is 1. And that is how to construct the frequency distribution table. That's all, everyone, and thank you for watching.